Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this session we will try to understand or try to know an interesting fact. Is power bank a capacitor? So why this question arises is in the last session I have covered complete details regarding capacitor. So what does capacitor mean and all the important topics I have tried to cover. So now a question arises, as we know power bank, we all know, right? So power bank is a device we can store, we can use it whenever there is an urgency where we want to charge mobile phone or any of the electronic gadgets. So in that case we will frequently use power bank. So now a question arises whether, since I told in the last session that capacitor stores energy in the form, it is used to store the energy in the form of charges. So now whether capacitor power bank, whether is a power bank a capacitor, we can say, can we say in that way? Can we say is power bank a capacitor? So here we will try to get the understanding whether we can say it is a capacitor or not. We will try to understand in a very interesting, and this question is very interesting, and it is at the same time very important also to understand. So as I already told you, so capacitor we already discussed in the last session. So we already know like what capacitor does. So just for to repeat once again, it stores electric energy in the form of electric field. So what does this power bank? We will try to gather few details. Like maybe you will already be knowing, but still as a part of for us to judge like whether power bank is a capacitor or not, we will try to understand few important things. So here we will concentrate on these points now. So is power bank. So what is this power bank basically? A power bank is a device, we can say. So power bank is a device. As I already told you, we already use, in our day-to-day life, like power bank we use whenever we travel somewhere or anywhere. So we try to use power bank, in our urgency situations, like we want to charge our mobile, we don't have charge in mobile and we want to still use it. So in that case we use power bank, hence it is a device where we usually carry anywhere we can carry, and it's portable also. So now one more thing about power bank is power bank, to tell you, like power bank stores energy into a rechargeable battery. So how this is very important thing for us to understand now. So power bank stores energy into a rechargeable battery means power bank, a device, makes use of a rechargeable battery. So rechargeable battery means, as the name itself indicates, rechargeable means it can be chargeable. So once charge gets over, we can again charge it. That means it is rechargeable. It's not like one time, it's not like cell where we can directly like in any of the like shells we will use it for our clock purpose or anything. So it is not like that. It is not that is not chargeable, right? But this is rechargeable. That means we can store energy. Whenever energy gets over, we can still recharge it. So power bank make use of this rechargeable battery. So usually the rechargeable battery will be lithium ion battery. Okay, so usually the rechargeable battery will be lithium ion battery. So this power bank makes use of such rechargeable battery. So now I think we are in a position to understand like whether power bank is a capacitor or not, but still we will try to definitely learn still more. So in power bank, energy is stored in lithium ion battery, we can say, because it is usually as I told you, the energy is stored in the form of lithium ion battery. So definitely energy is stored in lithium ion battery. So in lithium ion battery, the circuit specifically it consists of DC to DC converter. So this you will be knowing. So if possible, I will try to cover one more session on what is this DC to DC converter. So just for your information, the circuitry consists of DC to DC converter. So hence now we can say, is power bank a capacitor? Definitely not. So because why? Because it's a device, and to summarize, it's a device which stores energy into a rechargeable battery. See, rechargeable battery means even our most of our electronic gadgets uses a rechargeable battery. As mobile phone is a rechargeable, because we can, once charge gets over, we can again recharge it by connecting some source, supply source. So definitely power bank is not a capacitor, we can say now, because in power bank it's a rechargeable battery. Mostly lithium ion battery will be used, which is again a rechargeable. So definitely capacitor is not used in power bank, or power bank is not a capacitor. So thanks for watching this video. Yeah, stay tuned. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. Have a nice day. Bye.